everybody, Danny here. Tell you what, let's head on over to easel and put some foreground in our painting, okay? I'll meet you there. And here we go. Okay, let's take care of some foreground today, okay? We're going to put some blue-gray color in here, okay? And we're going to just kind of run it around the corner here, like that, okay? That will pretend that it's the road. Okay. I got just a little bit darker here and there. We'll put that in there so it can do its thing, okay? That says, I'm a road. That's what we want it to say. Now, we're going to come into some green. This is a nice lighter green, okay? Nice and light. And we're just going to pull that nice light green down around here, just like this. See? No problems. We just pull it down here, like that. And as we do that, everything begins to have a home, okay? Now, we're just going to take a little bit of darker. We're just going to swipe it in, just like this. Like that. And that says, well, there's a little bit of darker stuff there too. And that's okay. Now tomorrow, what we're going to do is we come in here, well, we can practically do it today. And we'll just put some green in here like that. And make a few scrapes here and there. Okay. Put a little on top of it. And that'll pretend that it's some trees over there, like that. Tomorrow what we'll do is we'll do a little darkening here. And we're about to call this lesson series done. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow. Hit the bell icon so you get all notifications. Remember to let Ann and I know in comments what's going on. And remember that we love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We now have foreground. It's starting to look like a painting. Tomorrow, we'll do some more work on it and make it even better. And remember, in the meantime, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.